Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. So the silver party stuff is pretty stocked up in this store and I thought we could use it for the holiday. So let's take a look guys because they're pretty stocked. Okay, so I showed you the round little bowls, so we put that back, and then these are called mini cordial cups, and those are pretty cute little cups, and they come 6 in the pack. And then these over here, I'm not sure, those are condiment cups, and those I think come 12 in the pack, so that's pretty good. So one thing I have to say is the Dollar Tree serving stuff, especially in this section here, is pretty decent. Look how huge these serving bowls are. And now this collection right here is new to our Dollar Tree. They're like silver and gold polka dots. And the entire set is in the store. So look at the size of this bowl. And you get a lot of them. Like I said, they're pretty stocked. And then I'm showing you like the little chips and dip serving trays. You got a whole stack of those, and see I'm showing you the count because I can't even believe how stocked they are. And then these are coffee cups. I didn't even know that these plastic things can be used for coffee. These are bowls. And as you can see here, those come 12 in the pack. And these metal buckets is the first time I'm seeing this in the Dollar Tree in this section. So, and those are a nice size, so I should have picked some up. I think I'll go back. Now, these scallop-shaped containers, I'm not really sure exactly what those are used for. I absolutely love them, and I know they were out in the springtime. And I really need to get back there and stock up on these. And they also have multiple shapes, so I'll be showing you those. Here, that was the only Christmas bowl that I saw, so I'm not sure if they're located in a different part of the store, but isn't that adorable for Christmas? And then this is the bowl here that I was trying to show you. It was gold and silver polka dots. The entire set, like I said, is here in the store. And then those silver platters, they're huge, and I think that those would be excellent if you were having a party, or if you were serving dinner. I think those are wonderful. So these ice buckets, I have always loved them. They are so beautiful. I think you can DIY these so easily, and yeah, I'm happy with those. And then these bowls right here, I've made multiple things with those with DIYs. Those are also really pretty. Again, these are what the ice buckets look like, and look how many they have. I couldn't even believe it. So now this is the first time I'm seeing those little mini scoopers, and then they have those bigger ones. So that's new. Then here are your condiment cups with the lids, and you get plenty of those. So I think those are a really good buy. And then when it comes to the serving spoons, so this set right here is new to this Dollar Tree. It looks like a regular big cooking spoon set. You get 2 of those in the pack. Then you have the ladle. So those are new to this Dollar Tree. this is the other size container that I found very interesting. It's slanted over to the side, and I think this is absolutely beautiful. Let me put this down so I can show you. Isn't that gorgeous? I think I can do multiple things with this, and I think I'll be picking some of those up too. So where the other container, scallop container, was round, this one here is more square, and I'm absolutely loving those. So here are the silver and gold polka dotted plates. These are the smaller ones, and then here are the trays. So I really like the idea that they have the entire set, which is very rare nowadays. So I can't even begin to tell you when the last time I saw these silver picks in the store, or even the spoons, or any of it really. So I hope you enjoyed your shopping trip with me as much as I enjoy showing you everything. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and have a happy holiday.